Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Schaffner Traditional Elementary School in Louisville, Kentucky, part of the JCPS, Jefferson County Public Schools. And my first time getting to visit this school, just a true honor. All the students, all the staff, so welcoming, so warm. They open their hearts to me and to the message about looking at someone's heart first. We talked about bullying as well, but the underlying sub-theme was all about trying to see someone the same way that you see your best friend, which is for their heart before anything else. We see our heart as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, kindness, respect, compassion fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? Peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself, by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love and hopefully with this type of renewed kindness each and every day, right? That no matter what we're going through, we can still choose love and rise above any hate that we see in our lives. And that means we have to get past hurt people who hurt people, right? The biggest reason I see why people bully and why the kindness that we see around this world, doesn't always happen is because there's something stemming and really happening and still inside here that we have to get past. But we can turn that hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people. And if we're able to do that, we start making this world a better place. And it is that one act of kindness at a time. It is those 2 seconds that can really just raise someone up forever. And by what we say, by what we do, by what we text, tweet, DM, comment, virtually or in person, physically or verbally, that we can really, hopefully, choose to lift this person up higher than ourselves, that we rise by lifting others, right? And then we get that great feeling inside of us to say that, yes, we did something special, that we did look at that person's heart, that we did see that not only are we good enough, but that person is too. And that ties into the same concept that I make sure I reinforce in all my presentations, and that's that we're all miracles, right? So we all have with the lines on our hands, the letter M. I traced one of mine here. It says this on the front of my shirt too, but this M stands for miracle, right? An upside down W for worthy. But the whole idea is that we need to believe that we are miracles, because a lot of students I speak to, people in general, they've forgotten this, never been told this, they need a reminder. And so it's sometimes up to us, to first buy into that concept and see it in ourselves, and then go out and start to spread that with others that we interact with, and like all the stories that I shared, the heartfelt stories, the inspirational music, the positive videos, the whole idea was to, hit these students at the heart level. And for a lot of them that came up to me afterwards, even some of the staff as well, and said, hey, what you shared today touched my heart. Well, that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share this gift that you were given in this short time that I got to spend with all of you today, with everyone out there, right? That you start to make this community, your city where you live, your home, your environment, wherever you have interactions, you can make that a better place by just choosing to share that love and know that you never have to go this alone. There's people out here who love you, care for you, and all these adults in this school, they want to see you safe, they want to see you keep growing, they want to see the best for you, like we say in the pledge every morning, and they want you to not only respect yourself, but make sure that you're respecting others too. So thank you again so much for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Keep shining your light and your love. Hope to see you all again soon. Until next time. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also visit this playlist below for some additional motivation. You can also check out my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.